Hello, I'm going to solve a review exercise for further solving equation and inequalities. Let us take a look at number 10. So now it's about 5 pencil and 4 rulers. So before we start, let us make it pencil as x and ruler as y. So the first 5 pencil plus 4 rulers equal to $14. Next we got 4 pencil, 4x plus by 3 ruler equal to 10.8. Okay, let us solve this simultaneous equation. So let's get rid of the x. So we will multiply it by 4. The first equation, second equation we are going to multiply it by 5. It's gonna be 20x and we plus by 16y, and we got 14. We multiply it by 4. It's gonna be 56. Next gonna be 20x plus by 15y. We got 10.8. We multiply it by 5. It's gonna be 54. Okay, we just minus it. So y equal to 2. Okay, so the ruler equal to y, which is y equal to $2. Next, let us substitute into one of the equation. So we got 5x plus by 4, we multiply by 2 equal to 14. So it's gonna be 5x plus 8 equal to 14. We minus 8 both of sides, so 5x, this is minus 8, gonna be 6, and then the 6 we divided by 5, so x equal to 1.2. Okay, so the pencil equal to x and x equal to $1.2. 11 show that, okay, this is the equation that we got, is positive if x equal to 1. Let's just substitute it. So 1 plus 3, and then 1 plus 7. So this equal to 4. Then we multiply it by 8. So it's gonna be 32. Next, it will be negative if x equal to minus 4. Let's prove it. So minus 4 plus 3. And here minus 4 plus 7. So it's gonna be minus 1. We multiply it by 3, which equal to minus 3. Yes, negative. Next, positive if x equal to minus 8. So let's write minus 8 plus 3. And then here is minus 8 plus 7. So it's gonna be minus 5. We multiply it by minus 1. Minus multiplied by 1 is gonna be positive. So yes, it's gonna be 5. Next, what happens when x equal to minus 7? So let's try it. So minus 7 plus 3. And here is minus 7 plus 7. So it's gonna be minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4 multiplied by 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, C. Finds all the value of x which, okay, less than. So first, let us factorize it. It's gonna be x. When multiply equal to 21. When addition equal to 10. So we got plus 7 and plus by 3. So we got x equal to minus 7 and x equal to minus 3. So let us draw the line. Here is minus 7 and minus 3. Okay, let's see which part is satisfied. Okay, let's put it minus 2 here. Let's give a try minus 2. So substitute it. So you got minus 2 square plus by 10 times minus 2 and plus by 21. Is it less than or equal to 0? So it's gonna be 4 minus 20 plus 21 less than or equal to 0. Okay, so here is minus. So 5 is not less than or equal to 0, so this is not. So here and here is, so the x is bigger than minus 3 and x is less than minus 7 or equal to minus 7. Okay, 12. Okay, this following pair simultaneous equation. Okay, let's start with 3x plus 4y is 4 and 9 equal to 11 over 18. Okay, let's do it the left side first. So make it the denominator equal. 4 times 9 is 36. So 9 times 3, we can write here 9 times 3x. Then plus by 4 times 4y. Okay, so we'll continue. 9 times 3 is 27, so this is gonna be 27x plus by 16y. This equal to 36. Okay, let's solve the left side. It's gonna be 11 over, that is 18. Okay, to get rid of 36, we can multiply by 36 both of sides. It's gonna be 27x plus by 16y equal to, we got 36 divided by 18 is 2, so this is equal to 22. Okay, we got the first equation. Here is our first equation. Next, let us find the second equation. So we got 2x equal to 3 plus by 3y equal to 4 equal to 91 over 144. Okay, let's leave it the left side, go to the right side. So 3 times 4 is gonna be 12. So this is 4 multiplied by 2x. Here is 3 times 3y equal to 91 over 144. Okay, so it's gonna be 8x plus 9y we divide by 12 equal to 91 over 144. Get rid of 12, so this multiplied by 12. So 8x plus 9y equal to, we got 144 divided by 12 is 12, so 91. It's gonna be 91 over 12. Okay, to get rid of this 12, let us multiply it both of sides by 12 again. So right side is gonna be 91, while the left side is gonna be 12 times 8 is 96. X plus by, we got 9 times 12 is 108y. Okay, this is our second equation. Okay, let's solve it. So we got 96x plus 100, 108 y equal to 91. And second we got 27x plus by 16y is equal to 22. Okay, let's take a look here. How can we make it y or x are equal value. Let's think and see. Okay, let's keep it the first and multiply by 1. The second we can multiply by 6.75. So we will keep it. It's gonna be 96x plus 108y equal to 91, and here's gonna be 108y. So here we can multiply by 27, which is 182.25x. Sorry. And here we got 22 multiplied by 6.75. So this gonna be the answer. It's 148.5. Okay, we can minus it. 91. It's gonna be 57.5 minus, and the x gonna be minus. We got 96. We minus by 182.25. So it's gonna be 86.25x. Okay, to get rid, so it's gonna be positive, so we can minus divided by minus 86.25, also minus 86.25. Then we simplify x, we will get 2/3. Okay, let's substitute to the equation. So we got 27x, x is 2/3, plus by 16y equal to 22. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. So it's gonna be 18 plus 16y equal to 22, minus by 18 both of sides, so 16y equal to 4. So we divide by 16 both of sides, so y equal to 4 divided by 16. We can simplify it. It's gonna be 1/4. Okay, so this the value. X equal to 2/3 and y equal to 1/4. Yeah, there it is. Thank you.